ওপিডিতে তারা পেশেন্ট কিভাবে দেখবে সেই বিষয়ের আলোকে তাদেরকে আমরা প্রশ্ন করে থাকি, যাতে করে তারা প্র্যাকটিক্যালি কাজ করতে গিয়ে তাদের কি অবস্থা হয় সেটা এখান থেকে যদি তারা নাও পারে, আমরা যাতে তাদেরকে পরীক্ষার মাধ্যমেও কিছুটা শিখিয়ে দিতে পারি। তো আমাদের এখানে দেখা যায় যে এখানে আমরা এই ল্যাবগুলোতে তাদেরকে জিজ্ঞেস করি যে এগুলোতে কোনটা থেকে স্যাম্পল নেওয়া হয়, যাতে তারা নিজেরা এই স্যাম্পলগুলো করতে পারে। তাদেরকে আমরা জিজ্ঞেস করি ট্রান্সমিশন সেট এবং ইনফিউশন সেটের ডিফারেন্স তারা বুঝতে পারে কিনা। বাচ্চাদের যে সেটে আমরা পরীক্ষা আমরা স্যালাইন দিই সেটা এই যে বিউরেট, এই বিউরেটটা কেন দেওয়া হয়, এটার কারণটা কি, এবং বাচ্চাদের যে মাইক্রো ড্রপ এটার সঙ্গে বড় ড্রপটা সেটা কি ডিফারেন্স, কতটাতে কত হয়, এইটা দিয়ে কি করে আমরা যে রিফ্লো করি আমরা ইমার্জেন্সি পেশেন্ট, বিশেষ করে ডায়াবেটিক কিটোএসিডোসিসে এই মেশিনটা খুব কাজে লাগে। সুতরাং প্র্যাকটিক্যালি ওরিয়েন্টেড এই স্যালাইনগুলো আমরা দেখাই, বলি যে এটা কোনটা কি দেখেই যাতে চিনতে পারে। প্লাস আমরা ক্যানুলাগুলো দেখাই তাদেরকে যে কোন ক্যানুলাটা কোনটা, নিউবর্নের জন্য কোনটা দিবে, বড় বাচ্চাকে কোনটা দিবে। আরেকটু প্র্যাকটিক্যালি আজকে আমরা আসি যে হ্যাঁ নেবুলাইজার মেশিনটা চিনতে পারে কিনা, কিভাবে অন করতে হয়, কিভাবে নেবুলাইজার সলিউশন নিতে হয়, এবং কিভাবে এটা একটা বাচ্চার মুখের মধ্যে লাগাতে হয়। আমবিলিক্যাল কর্ডের ক্লাম্পিং বলে কোথায় কোথায় 214 কি, এবং তারপরে কোন পজিশনে কাটবে, পেঙ্গুইন সাকারটা কি, এটা দিয়ে কোন জায়গাটা আগে সাপ করে, মুখে নাকি নাকে, সেটা দেখানো হয়। পালস অক্সিমিটার দিয়ে আমরা কিভাবে মনিটর করি যে একটা বাচ্চাকে রিসাসিটেশন করছি আমরা হেল্পিং বেবি ব্রেডে, তারপরে এটা তারা বলতে পারে কিনা যে এখানে স্যাচুরেশন এবং হার্ট রেট দেখবে। তো এই হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট বোর্ড ফার্স্ট। এবং এখানে আমরা এটাও দেখাই আইএমসিএ বইটা আমাদের সঙ্গে রাখি, এবং এখান থেকে আমরা আইএমসিএ এর অনেক চার্ট তাদেরকে দেখানো হয়। বিশেষ করে ওপিডি ম্যানেজমেন্টে ট্রায়াজ করা সংক্রান্ত প্রশ্ন, যে কোন রোগীকে আগে দেখবে, প্রায়োরিটি বেস তারা কীভাবে ওপিডি রোগীকে সর্ট আউট করবে, এটাও তাদেরকে জিজ্ঞেস করা হয়। এরপরে আমরা চলে যাই সেকেন্ড বোর্ড। আমাদের সেকেন্ড বোর্ড হচ্ছে কিছুটা নলেজ বেস এবং অ্যাপ্লিকেশন বেস, যে সিনারিওগুলো দেখানো হয়। তো সিনারিওগুলো আমরা আমাদের অডিও ভিজুয়ালের মাধ্যমে আমরা করে থাকি, এবং এখানে আমরা বিভিন্ন কোয়েশ্চন, তাদেরকে ছবি, এক্স রে, পেশেন্টের ছবি, তারপরে হলো বিভিন্ন ডাটা, এগুলি দিয়ে থাকি, দিয়ে তাদেরকে আমরা এখান থেকে অডিও ভিজুয়াল এইডের মাধ্যমে কিছু প্রশ্ন করে থাকি। তো এটি হচ্ছে তাদের কিছুটা তাদের ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড নলেজ কি আছে, এবং এইভাবে আমরা যেমন রেসপিরেটরি প্যাটার্নটা দেখাই, নর্মাল কমন পেডিয়াট্রিক প্রবলেম যেগুলো আছে, যেগুলো মাস্ট টু নো। কোভিড যেমন আমরা এখন সবাইকেই একটু না একটু জিজ্ঞেস করি, ভ্যাকসিন থেকে শুরু করে যে এই যে এক্সরে যে এভিডেন্সটা, হেপাটাইটিস আমাদের ছবি দিয়ে দেখানো হয়। তারপর নিউবর্নের বিভিন্ন ধরনের প্রবলেম যেমন সাইনোসিস, রেসপিরেটরি ডিস্ট্রেস, এইগুলি তারা কি তারা মাথার মধ্যে চিন্তা রাখবে যে কি কি ডিজিজ হতে পারে, কি কাজ করবে, কি করবে তারা। তো এই ধরনের থিওরিটিক্যাল কিছু, খুবই কম থিওরিটিক্যাল, বেশিরভাগই আমরা কিন্তু প্র্যাকটিক্যাল অ্যাপ্লিকেশন বেসড কোয়েশ্চেন করে থাকি। তো আজকের পরীক্ষাতেও আমরা এটাই করবো। এখানে হ্যান্ডি ম্যানুভার আমরা চাই যে সবাই এই ম্যানুভারটি জানো, যাতে চোখে করে কেউ মারা না যায়। তো এটা হচ্ছে যে একটা পেজ ইন দ্য প্লট, এটা কি ডিজিজ হতে পারে। এইভাবে করে আমরা মোটামুটি পুরো সিলেবাস কভার করে ক্রোমোসোমাল অ্যাবনর্মালিটি, জেনেটিক ডিসঅর্ডার, যেগুলি কমন আছে, কঠিন কঠিনগুলি না, কমন যেগুলি তাদের জানা দরকার, সেই সমস্ত জিনিসগুলো। এবং আইএমসি এর যে ডায়েরি আছে, নিউমোনিয়া আছে, নিউট্রিশন আছে, এগুলিকে আমরা হাইলাইট করি, এবং আজকের পরীক্ষাটা আমরা এরকম করবো। অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
First, I will wet my hands, then I will take the soap and by palm to palm rubbing, I will make it foam, and then palm to back and palm to back vice versa. Then I will palm to palm finger interlacing, then interlocking of the finger and rubbing of the back of the finger, rubbing of the back of the finger, and then rubbing of the thumb, rubbing of the thumb. Then I rub the knee, and then 2 centimeter of the wrist, 2 centimeter of the wrist. Then I will again wash my hand and then dry.
Okay. Let's have a see. This baby just born. The umbilical cord. What is your procedure?
Madam, at first I will give care on two finger from the umbilicus, then one finger from the first clap, then 4 finger from the umbilicus. Then I will cut it between 1 and 4.
Okay. You have used the IV cannulation for the baby. What size cannula you will take?
Madam, for 24.
Just hold that. Okay.
Madam, I have to turn with the hand. Okay. Then I'll prominent. I'll wash this area by Hexosol. Then I will prominent and prominent vessel. This cannula and make sure that blood is coming by watching here. Then ma'am push back again, and then after that I will remove the choker. Then I will adjust it with this, and then ma'am I will adjust this by tape or gauze.
You will give the 12 micro drops to it. How will you calculate from there?
One drop is equal to 4 microdrop. So, ma'am, if it is on upside, then it means it is working, and it's low. And if it is the low 4 microdrop, so ma'am, 12
We
microdrops.
will send some blood sample. First of all, we will send the blood group. Which unit?
Blood grouping and
Okay. Blood CBC.
CBC.
Okay. Blood ESR.
Black.
ABG.
Ma'am, ABG green.
Okay. These babies have developed jaundice and anemia. Day 1. What is the diagnosis?
Ma'am, it is hemolytic. Due to hemolytic anemia, this baby developed jaundice.
Why hemolytic disease of the newborn? Why?
This is it is due to RH incompatibility or ABL incompatibility.
What is this?
This is bone marrow network.
What is the indication?
We use it to draw the bone marrow to see if there is, in case of aplastic anemia or leukemia or
What's the
megaloblastic
site of this index?
site. In case of baby, it is medial side of the tibia or tibia.
And adult?
It is sternum.
If there is nothing in
Giant
with blood,
blood.
what is this?
It is lumbar puncture.
Indication?
And we use it for acute passive paralysis for baby and meningitis and encephalitis.
Okay. And what is this?
It's adrenaline.
Often dog.
We give it in cardiac arrest.
What is this?
Cheer stop.
কোথায় ওঠা হয়?
And it is we use it in exchange transfusion.
Okay. So what is this book?
It is IMCI.
It is the student's handbook of IMCI. According to this handbook, what are the most important cause of under 5 mortality in our country?
Pneumonia, then diarrheal disease, then accidents. Then
What accident is common?
cut injury, drowning.
Cut injury is not that common. It's drowning. Drowning is common. And
Then bee sting,
aspiration. Very common thing is aspiration. So
For
if there is aspiration, like children, they play with toys, small pellets. So if there is aspiration, what maneuver you will do? Heimlich maneuver. How is that?
Someone is
Holding the
holding
baby.
baby and give pressure to the backward and upward, and it will and the front body will goes out.
Okay, thank you. Now you tell me, now you have passed MBBS and you are in charge now of the child outpatient department. You have 50 patients waiting outside. Some of them are very sick, some of them are good, and some of them are moderately sick.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be your system to prioritize? What is that?
And at first, I will prioritize the very sick patient. I will handle the first, then moderate, then less sick patient. In this case,
So, what is the name of this prioritization?
danger sign, ma'am.
Yes, according to danger sign, but name of it is triage. Triage.
Triage.
So, if a patient of febrile convention, like temperature is 106, and patient is having active convulsion, what will you do? If you are in the OPD seeing so many patients,
I give up all the works. I go to the baby. I manage him or her by parental diazepam and make it quiet and try to make the baby quiet. If I fail, then I will send the baby to the ICU and then I will.
you will come back
Yes,
and see the rest of
and
the
see
patient.
the rest.
Okay, thank you. Now you go to this board. Look at this given picture. What you are seeing there?
Madam, I'm seeing that there is it is vitamin A capsule, ma'am. The red capsule is 2 lakh international unit and blue capsule is 1 lakh international.
1 lakh is for whom?
1 lakh for 6 months to 12 months.
If you give 2 lakh capsule to a 5-month-old baby, what will happen?
Intracranial hypertension will develop.
So that's why there are different steps. Okay. This is an 8-year-old boy with diarrhea and vomiting. So I'm telling you the diagnosis. This is acute watery diarrhea. The patient now presented here with acute distension of the abdomen and this radiological finding. What is your diagnosis? See the X-ray.
Madam, it is paralytic ileus.
Why it is paralytic ileus?
Because ma'am, it is developed due to it is adynamic condition and it is developed because of potassium loss from the. I will first resuscitate the baby. I give nothing but oral to the baby. Give IV fluid. Then ma'am, I give IV potassium and then further management.
Will you refer this patient to surgeon?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? You said it is not dynamic.
Ma'am, if I fail by suction, sorry ma'am, I'm not saying it.
Okay, 5-year-old girl presented with fever with rash for 5 days.
It's maybe,
Fever with rash in a 5-year-old girl. What is the diagnosis?
ma'am, it's maybe ITP, yeah. Then ma'am, measles, then ma'am, it's hand foot mouth disease, ma'am, chicken pox,
Kawasaki disease.
Kawasaki disease.
What is the significance of Kawasaki disease in this COVID pandemic time? Next.
Ma'am, it may affect the coronary.
It may affect coronary artery, but it may be related to COVID-19 infection. Okay. What is this?
Ma'am, it is cyanotic spray. And the lower one is starting.
So what is the relation of the first picture and the second picture?
Cyanotic, if the baby has cyanotic heart disease, then she might develop clubbing.
So clubbing and cyanotic spell has some co-relationship. How will you manage cyanotic spell?
I first quiet the baby, then I give the baby to the mother and tell her to quiet the baby. Then if she fails, then I will take the baby and give parental diazepam and give if I fail again, then I will give oxygen mask to the baby and IV morphine.
Morphine. How morphine works? Do you know? How morphine works in cyanotic spell?
And morphine will quiet the baby and baby will sleep and cyanotic spray will goes away because infundibulum will
Relax. Very good. Okay, look at the child and describe the clinical feature.
Ma'am, this baby is edematous.
Is it generalized edema or localized?
Generalized edema.
Very good.
Acidic and
গাল এবং পেট
Pushinoid pain, pushinoid pain, double chin present, and abdomen is distended.
Okay, so what is it now?
It is steroid toxicity.
Steroid toxicity. Name some diseases which are indicated in children. In which steroid is indicated?
Prednisone, ma'am. It is used in nephrotic syndrome and
Next question. 4-year-old child got to OPD with complaint of dog bite. Very common in our country. Quickly.
Ma'am, I first wash the area with soap water. Then I take the baby to the hospital and give her properly washed and give her tetanus vaccine and Revipur vaccine IM 0, 3, 7, 24 and 28 days. 14, sorry, madam, 14 and 28 days.
Okay, if you don't give any vaccine and the child was actually that dog was a street dog, what may happen? What is the disease he developed?
Rabies, বলো জোরে বলো মাস্ক পরে না
Rabies. Is there any treatment of rabies? Once someone develops rabies, what happens?
It is fatal.
So patient will die. Okay, thank you.
Then I will introduce my fingers. I will introduce my fingers in the dorsal aspect. Then I will clean the palmar aspect of my fingers. I will clean my nails by rubbing it against the palm. I will not forget to wash my thumbs, and I will make sure I wash 2 centimeters of my wrist at least. And then I will wash it under clean water and then close the tap with my hand.
Right.
That's it.
What is the machine?
And this is nebulizer machine.
This is a newborn weighing 3 kg and presenting with respiratory distress. Give Ventolin nebulization to the newborn.
Give running commentary.
And I will first take the cup and then I will pick up the Ventolin medication. And the rest is such a way. And then I will, since my patient is 3 kg, I will pick up 0.9 ml of this solution and then drop it in the cup. And then I will take a syringe. I will fill up the rest with 2.1 ml of normal saline.
Where is the fluid? যেটা দিয়ে তুমি 3 ml বানাবে
Yes, normal saline. Okay, and then I will, while keeping the cup at all times upright, I will fix the cap and make sure it's closed. Then I will switch on the machine and see whether it is working, and I will lower.
How will you ensure that it is working?
I will ensure if I see mist evaporating from the machine. Then I will hold my patient upright and then hold the cup against his or her mouth, and then I will hold it there until the mist disappears, ma'am. Then I will lay down my patient. I will switch off the machine. I will dislodge my cup, cap, and mask.
ঠিক আছে ওকে
And then I will clean them and then dry them and keep them ready for the next use.
During the procedure you found that the child is having heart rate 200 beats per minute. What will be your next step? তুমি এই ভেন্টিলিন দিতে দিতে ওর 200 beats per minute heart rate হয়ে গেল
Ma'am, since Ventolin is a beta agonist, it causes increase in heart rate. I
তাহলে
will
তুমি
replace it with another bronchodilator like ipratropium bromide.
ইপ্রেশোপিয়াম what are the other alternatives?
Other alternatives, ma'am.
এই নেবুলাইজার দিয়ে আর কি কি ড্রাগ দেওয়া যায় আদার দেন ইপ্রেশোপিয়াম?
Ma'am, other than ma'am bronchodilators like ipratropium and this one, we can also give ma'am antibiotics. We can give adrenaline. We can also give ma'am normal saline for dislodgement of any.
Another common thing that is given, common thing,
Ma'am, steroid.
steroid. ঠিক আছে? That is the another option. Okay. A 3-year-old child is coming to you with acute watery diarrhea, vomiting and diarrhea. Okay. Now, how the patient is having, I'll say severe dehydration. How will you assess? Severe dehydration is কি sign দেখবে?
I will first see the child is fully he's lethargic, he is not willing to feed, and the eyes is sunken, and skin pinch goes back very slowly, and capillary refill time is more than 2 seconds.
Asha, what are the fluid and instrument you will require to resuscitate this child? এই বাচ্চাটার সিভিয়ার ডিহাইড্রেশন, কি ফ্লুইড নিবে, কি ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট নিবে দেখাও।
Ma'am, I will pick up normal saline as my fluid of choice, and then I will
Is this
Normal saline.
sorry, cholera saline as my fluid of choice, and then I'll pick up a microburette set and
you will need a
a cannula. I
Cannula.
will cannula, preferably ma'am a size 20, which is for children, by or 20.
আচ্ছা, tell me the amount of fluid for resuscitation.
Will be 100 ml per kilogram, and I will give 30 ml per kilogram within the first half an hour, and rest 70 ml per kilogram in the next 2.5 hours.
Why rapidly during the first half an hour?
Now I will flush the intravascular compartment to prevent shock.
To correction, for the correction of shock. Okay. What is it?
And this is a bone marrow needle, ma'am, having proper cannula and adjustable.
What is this?
And this is a lumbar puncture needle having a proper and a cannula.
Difference between these two.
And bone marrow needle, it is shorter and more sturdier.
Are?
And it is made of metal. And the lumbar puncture needle is longer, it's more slender, and it
And
is
any other
disposable.
difference?
It has an adjustable guard. This does not have adjustable guard.
Indication for lumbar puncture.
That's why diagnostic and therapeutic. Diagnostic includes meningitis, encephalitis, then ma'am cerebral malaria, or which ma'am Guillain-Barré
What is
disease.
the site for lumbar puncture in children?
Children, ma'am, it's at the junction between the lumbar 3 and 4 vertebra.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we need to give oxygen therapy to children for many reasons. What are the appliance by which we give oxygen therapy?
আমরা বলি
According to
অক্সিজেন
the-
ডেলিভারি সিস্টেম, কিভাবে অক্সিজেন ডেলিভারি করা হয় বলো।
Ma'am, I can give ma'am an oxygen mask, and this is various types like rebreather mask, non-rebreather mask. Then ma'am, I can give a nasal cannula. I can give ma'am nasal catheter. Nasal catheter can be normal or the new one which is high flow nasal cannula. Then ma'am, I can go for
What is the another use of high flow nasal cannula?
currently ma'am, it is used to give respiratory oxygen delivery to patients with coronavirus.
Okay, so this book is the student's manual for the IMCI. Here there are some chapters related to trials. Now you will pass MBBS after a few days and you will be posted to pediatric outpatient department for duty. Now how will you do the trials in the pediatric OPD for the severe cases? What signs you will see, what symptom you will
আমরা
see?
বলি কিছু ইমার্জেন্সি সাইন আছে, সেগুলো বলো, যেটা দেখলে আমি ডোন্ট দিয়ে আগেই পেশেন্টটাকে ম্যানেজ করব।
So you have some priority. This patient is priority 1, this patient is 2, 3. So you will triage accordingly and take the action accordingly. Tell me.
I'll divide my patients into age group 0 to 2 months, and then 2 months to 5 years, and then I will look for some signs. Like ma'am, I'll look for convulsion, then ma'am lethargy, unable to feed, then ma'am the patient cynosed, not breathing, not responding.
What will you do for the patient who are having danger sign and in front of you?
I classify them as any danger sign with ma'am various severe disease. I'll call for help, and then I will primarily assess. I'll ask questions and look for certain signs. And once I've classified my disease, I will give initial management, and then ma'am, if I'm in Dhaka CVS Visit Tertiary Center, I'll manage.
You will admit, you will manage, you will admit.
Yes.
And some patient will go home.
Yes.
What will be your advice to the OPD cases, those who you advise to go home, and then you will advise them to come back quickly?
Ma'am, I will ask the patient to come back. For example, if any general patient, if I'll ask them to come back if the patient is unable to feed, gets sicker, or touches or vomits everything, and if I'll come back.
Okay, what is that?
These are the various patterns of respiration. Pattern A is vesicular respiration. Pattern B is bronchial respiration. Pattern C is vesicular.
What can be bronchial respiration? Is it normally available in any space?
Yes, ma'am. During the oscillating through the trachea, we will get a single respiration.
And the disease condition?
And this can be refers to consolidation, pneumonic.
Okay, what is it?
was stung by bee.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, bee sting, ma'am.
Yes.
কি দেখছো তুমি, মুখে কি দেখছো?
Ma'am, I can see the features of angioedema, ma'am. like there is swelling around the soft tissue, the periorbital region as well as around the
Okay,
mouth.
what is the most severe complication of these sting bite?
Yes, ma'am, anaphylactic shock. I'm afraid for anaphylactic shock.
And
Also,
any
ma'am,
organ?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, acute kidney injury, ma'am.
Very good. And what is the drug you will use for angioedema?
Angioedema, ma'am, I will ma'am use this one. Antihistamine.
Art.
Ma'am, steroid.
So, okay, go there please to the Excel. And
So,
show
show
me
the
what is the finding
sure,
there.
take the pencil.
This is your last question. So you go there and tell us the findings of the chest X-ray. Go on this side. Yes.
This is a chest X-ray in
Only the
Positive findings টা দেখো।
There is ma'am patchy opacities in both in all zones of both lung fields, and the tracheal central phase, mediastinal
আচ্ছা
central
তোমার
phase.
কার্ডিওপ্যাসিটি গুলো কি সেন্ট্রালি ডিস্ট্রিবিউটেড অর পেরিফেরালি?
Ma'am, to peripherally, subpleural,
এটা
and
কার
lower-
জন্য characteristic?
lower.
Is that patchy opacity?
Ma'am, it is like irregular হচ্ছে মানে
On the right lung is it patchy opacity or something else?
ma'am, heterogeneous opacities. Heterogeneous opacities.
আমরা কি এটাকে একটু গ্রাম গ্লাসের মতো
Yes,
opacity
ground-
করছি না?
ground
আচ্ছা,
glass.
what is it? তাহলে এটা ডায়াগনোসিস কি
Ma'am, bronchopneumonia, most likely ma'am.
দেখো লেখা আছে কোভিড কন্ট্যাক্টেড কোভিড পেশেন্ট দেন
What is the relation of COVID contact with this pneumonia?
Ma'am, it is a very it's a highly infectious disease, and so it most likely.
So this is the ground glass appearance here, not in the peripheral part of the lung. This is characteristic of the COVID pneumonia. So this is a 2 days old newborn present with cyanosis. Tell us some cause of cyanosis. And this is the last question actually. That was last so you have.
There is ma'am certain respiratory causes like ma'am birth asphyxia, then ma'am the respiratory distress syndrome of newborn, transient tachypnea of newborn.
Okay, these are respiratory. What are the other cause?
Ma'am, that can be cyanotic congenital cyanotic heart disease, ma'am, in very newborn or newborn equipment transfer.
Yes, I understand. What are the other cause? Other than heart
ভালো
cause?
কার্ডিয়াক কজগুলো বলো
Yes, cardiac cause I understand. Now you tell me if there are any other cause other than heart and lungs.
That can also be element that yes, ma'am, cerebral cause, neurogenic cause. The patient is unable to breathe.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
First, I will use ma'am dry wrap, ma'am. It will act as the stimulants, ma'am, for the crying. Next, ma'am, I'll just pick up another cloth and I'll throw it out, ma'am.
ওটা ভাঁজ করে ফেলো।
Next, ma'am, I'll give a suction from the nose at first, from the mouth. If still do not try, next, ma'am, I have to give a back stimulation by this. Still do not try, then I'll just pick the baby in this way and I'll take bamboo bag. I'll connect with this oxygen connector and I'll just
এটার সঙ্গে কি লাগাবে?
এটার সাথে হলো ম্যাম প্রপারলি ফিক্সড একটা মাস্ক লাগাবো বেবির অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দি সাইজ অফ দি বেবির চিন আই উইল গিভ দি
লাগাও, টাইট করে লাগাও।
then I will give compression, ma'am. Then I'll call for an assistant for a chest compression also.
এই তিনটা আঙ্গুল কোথায় থাকবে? তিনটা আঙ্গুল
Three or over the chin.
সাপোর্ট দ্য থিং আমরা
And this index finger will be over the ma'am mask and another over the bridge of the nose. Then I'll give ma'am compression, 60 compression per
when
minute.
we look for
I'll look for the chest for the to see the
expansion.
expansion. Ma'am.
এইভাবে দিবা, এইভাবে তোমাকে চিন্তাকে নিচে লাগাই দিতে হবে।
Doctor.
So you have to keep the airway straight. How will you keep the airway straight? By chin lifting.
Chin lifting. Chin lifting.
Okay. How will you see whether it is effective or not?
By seeing the skin color, ma'am, and also, ma'am, by seeing the ma'am pulse by my assistant, and also, ma'am, by pulse assistant and the movement, the skin movement.
Okay. Then what will your assistant do?
My assistant will give, ma'am, chest compression, ma'am, in this way. For my 3 compression, he will give 1 chest compression.
How much depression you want?
Ma'am,
How much depth you want?
কতটুকু চাপ দেবা এন্টিরিয়র পোস্টিরিয়র ডায়ামিটার কতটুকু সেটা জানতে চাচ্ছে
1/3. Okay. How will you check whether everything is okay or not? How will you check? From here there is a machine you can check.
yes, I can check by, ma'am, pulse oximeter, ma'am. I will just take it by inserting the pulse oximeter in the hand. Then I will see the, ma'am, saturation as well as, ma'am, pulse.
Okay. So what are the complications of ineffective ventilation?
ম্যাম ইনএফেক্টিভ ভেন্টিলেশন হলে, ম্যাম, এখানে হলো যেটা চাইল্ড হলো, ম্যাম, যদি মানে মেনটেন না এস্টাবলিশ না করতে পারে সেক্ষেত্রে, ম্যাম, হলো
if there is not there, then after that I'll do that. I'll slowly turn the baby that side and I'll take conscious to this 1, 2, and 3. Then after that also, if there is no breathing present in the baby, then I will take is what correctly fitting mask. I'll take the correctly fitting mask and I'll take the move back. Then I'll place the baby in a position in which the patient, the doctor will be on the bed, and then I'll put the umbu back. First of all,
You need to connect with the umbilical. Do you need to connect everything with the
yes, ma'am.
umbilical?
We have to connect the oxygen connector.
Otherwise there will be no effect.
And we'll place the baby like this, and from nose to chin, and
এইভাবে চাপা
Is this
দিয়ে
on right hand?
করতে পারবে না।
হুইচ হ্যান্ড
sir, right hand দিয়ে করবো, ইংরাজি nasal
What is the aim of this 3 finger and this 2 finger?
ma'am, to keep the patent,
3 finger is for what?
to keep the airway straight.
And the 2 finger?
2 finger, one is to hold.
এইভাবে জাতা দিলে তো এটা বসে যাচ্ছে। How you will place it?
We'll
What
keep
is the aim of that 2 finger?
the aim of these 2 finger is to not to leave the airway outside, to keep the proper airway.
How will you check whether there is effective ventilation or not?
Then after that we'll pressure this and we'll see the chest.
Look now.
Then I'll see the chest, and after that I'll be needing a assistant. Then assistant will put his hands, will put the stethoscope and see for the heartbeat. If there is no heartbeat or heartbeat is less than 60, they will start doing the compression in the midline connecting the nipples little bit towards the left, either with the thumb or with the 2 fingers. Then I'll be giving the oxygen 60 times in a minute, whereas the assistant will be giving compression 100
How
per
to
minute.
give cardiac compression?
And it can be done by 2 ways. Yeah, one will be over here, or with the 2 fingers,
How much you have to depress?
or 3 in the case of adult.
1/3 of the
ট্রান্সফার
anteroposterior diameter of the chest. Okay. How will you understand that there is effective ventilation?
First of all, the baby's color will slowly turn from bluish into the pink. Then after the pulse oximetry it will do the oxygen saturation. The oxygen saturation will tell us the portion saturation will tell us the amount of oxygen in the blood delivered to the tissue, and the heart rate will tell us if it is increasing or not.
What are the complications of ineffective ventilation?
Ineffective. And in the brain, it can cause hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. Then in the kidney, it will cause renal